What's the deal? What's the deal? And for those of you that are new, that's not a question. That's a statement. What's the deal? So, we're back. Just got off the phone with Don Vo. Told him I wasn't feeling like streaming. And then I said, you know what? I'm going to go stream. He was like, all right, I'll talk to you later. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Hold on, let me clear this. Session trades. Wow. I'm watching the Rangers Flyers game. Anyone else doing that? Probably not. Good game. Very good game. They got Patty Kane, but I didn't see him playing. Is he playing? Because I just turned it on. I just seen the Flyers score. I was kind of pissed off. Cavs Celtics, yeah, other channel on ESPN. I know. Just pop in. All right, let's discuss that in a bit. For now, let's see what's going on here. Ooh, so daily closed bullish. You know what? I hear the game more than I hear myself. So, daily closed bullish above this range. So, I'd expect us to make a bottom wick, and as soon as we break the current daily highs at 1838.66, we should have a lot of clearing range to fill the daily. And that's what we're going to look to do today. Let's see if we can take advantage of this. The 4-hour closed bear, and we're driving back down in range here. So we want buys, but with the previous 4-hour closing bear, we want to see the end of this 4-hour through, or we want this 4-hour to flip here. So because there's just no other way around it, we're going to need range 2 breakouts. Let's see what it looks like on a smaller time frame here, and what ranges we could take advantage of. What do? We look for a level where we can drive from. And below which level do we get closures? It seems to come down. Looks like a good area. Yeah, so every time we get a closure below this area, we seem to come down on the 5 and on the hourly and on the 30. There's a support here. So if we can come down to this area at 1830, let's mark it up at 1833.6. Form a support and then break it. We're going to look for some sells there. Previous hourly closed interesting here, but I would need it to come back up in range here, because the previous hourly looked close right below this little area here. I need a support formed because right now we have, for me, we have a range 1. We're in range 2, so we broke out of range 1. If you look at it on the hourly, you have your resistance, you have your support here. So this is range 1, and down to here is range 2. But like I said, if we can come down to this area down here, needs to be a red candle. If we can come down to here, right, form a support here. Stupid wick. And then come down and break this area again. Then I would consider this as a range 2, and then I would want to take this down. Now we would have this as a range 2 instead of this as a range 2. All right, where can we take advantage of buys? Let's go back to our trusty 5-minute. My apologies. All right, trusty 5-minute. Sorry, Chad, if it sounds like I'm a little down, but I'm not feeling amazing. Not feeling great. It's all right. Yeah, look at this. Look how long it's taking. Something's going on with YouTube. YouTube don't want me winning. Look how long it's taking to get to at least 200 viewers. We were filling up at 200 pre-session. Strange. Yeah, my migraine went away this morning once I fell asleep. Yesterday, you guys wouldn't believe this. After my stream, I couldn't even go finish my J. I couldn't go nothing. I went. I gave the 2 young ones a foot massage. You know, foot massage for little kids. Just, you know, rub their feet a little. And I fell asleep with them. Next thing you know, it's 5 a.m. I'm standing naked in the middle of the street at a stop sign. No, I'm just kidding. Next thing you know, I wake up in the morning and it's stream time. And yeah, it's like, damn, I fell asleep here. Yeah, but for some reason, drop a like, sub to the channel. Let's see if we can get this to fill up. Let's see if we find a good area for buys. So once we enter a position, this fills up quickly here, right? Funny, people have an alarm for trades, not even for the fact that the stream is on. Just, you get a trade? Oh shit, alarm. Pips here, huh? Hold on, chat. My kid's phone is ringing. Christina's calling her. Christina's gonna have to call her back because I didn't pick up the phone. I ignored Christina. Christina better call back another time. So we can come back up above here. I'll look for buys. Yeah, this would make sense on the 5, makes sense on the hourly. Oh, it's the 2 hour. Yep. Below or to BO. Dustin, awesome. Thank you for coming through. Always supporting. Appreciate you. Dustin bought the man coffee. Perfect. Tonight's a great night. Everything Irie. Everything Irie, my. How you put an alarm for trades? I don't know. You tell me. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm surviving. You guys over trade today? Anybody else take positions after our morning stream? Gold was moving. Gold was moving all day. Wix, how do you get massive traps? My traps aren't massive, but you just go to the gym and do shoulder exercises. Then you're gonna look weird if it's all just traps. So you gotta do arms. And then you should do back so your arms don't look like you're an ape. Right? My bad, sorry about the echo. Yeah, I reloaded my stream, and when I do that, it turns on my stream in the background for you guys. Trap King. No, I did arms today. I went to the gym. I did arms. It was buys and tries. Did arms today too? Leg day? Alright, alright. Yo, gym was packed today, and for some reason, everyone was doing arms. I swear. It's either because I walked in and everyone was looking at me and they were like, seems like we could copy him. Or everyone was just doing arms. Like, all the leg machines, empty. Well, what? Why? Why are all the women in there doing arms? For what? Go fucking work on your butt cheeks or something. No offense. I couldn't get a spot on a bench. I couldn't get a spot at the ropes. I couldn't do dips today. Whoever does the dips, you ever see a line at the dip machine? Never. I've never seen a line at the dip machine. It's not even a machine. It's 2 bars hanging. Who can do dips? Nobody can do dips. I'm one of 3 people in the entire... All right. Maybe one of 23 people in the entire county that can do dips. Yo. This is... Yeah, whatever. Shout out to you, Fit. Shout out to La Fitness. Shout out to Gold's Gym. You guys are the truth. No, I like to do dips after I do some barbell curls, right? You do the Arnold press and you dip. Get to the chopper. What's the benefit of wheat? Ooh. we need a 12-hour stream for that. Someday. No one's ever done that, right? No one really has a vlog, or no one's got a little 5-minute clip. Everyone's like, how I made $2,500, how I made $50,000. No one's like, how I smoked my way to 50 grand in profits. How I became profitable smoking weed. It all started with a joint. It all started with a smile. Not gonna lie, I can see sound, I can hear colors. Again, yo, DB, you always on something in here. Drugs are bad, okay? Chat, nothing much I'm willing to do here right now at the moment. I need the hourly to establish some kind of support before we can take more sells. I want to see a rejection, and I want to grab some liquidity from up here. And we need to form that range too. But yeah, we could drive down here. We're still in range too. We haven't really created support, and we just need to come back up above here to start driving up, start looking for more buys. Yo, why doesn't this work? Banana before hitting the gym got me curling 50 pounders. Would you advise me to use weed for? No, I'd advise you to use logic for your trades. Logic is a key component. How many trades you've taken this week? 2. You define ranges at the start of each session? No, I define ranges based on the information printed. So every candle prints new info, and sometimes those candles will print a support and a resistance, and everything between a support and a resistance is a range. They did respect this area. I'd expect us to fill the wick today, but if that happens, seems like that's going to be a London move, fill of the wick. Oh, yeah. What's the score in the Celtics game? Yeah, I can't believe the Knicks didn't get Donovan Mitchell. We had a chance to get fucking Donovan Mitchell a few weeks ago. God damn it. A few months ago, sorry. Before the beginning of this year, and we didn't do it. It's bullshit. Yeah, I see 42-44. Well, timeout. I use Madoff Securities as a broker. Word. Why not FTX? Knicks front office blows. Absolutely. The worst front office in all sport. The worst owner in basketball. James Dolan. Dolan's terrible. Again, moving this level down here, chat. Even Spike Lee refuses to go. Those days of Ewing and Starks were a thing of beauty. Yeah, you know what? Starks was my favorite player when I found out what basketball was. When my parents brought me to this country as a little kid, I found out what basketball was, right? And my first team that I saw play was the Knicks, and they had. This is before they got Grandmama, right? Before they had Larry Johnson. I watched them with Charles Oakley, with John Starks, with Ron Harper, with Patrick Ewing. This is before Allen Houston and all that. Yeah. I remember when they used to announce Ewing in the Garden. Trick Ewing. The guy almost spit his fucking dentures out every time announcing him. Trick Ewing. Nah. Those are the good old days, huh? When you always think that, yeah, the Knicks are taking it, and then out of nowhere comes Jordan. But Starks dunked on him. What's the IG? It's in my description. Wix9_. Worked at the Garden 9801. Oh, wow. You might have carried me out of a few games. What up, Green? What's the deal? Oof, look at this pullback on this 5. This flips. Where's it going here? We close below everything. Nice. Small range, 7 pips here. To the first initial. Actually, no, you got more. You got 11. I'm good. Good. Anywhere up until this area, we can still reject. Look at this wick, right? Look at these wicks. Like anything up until this point, we can reject. Everything below there, we can continue. So, yeah, as I was saying, the first team I saw play was the Knicks, and guess who they were playing? Yeah. Kemp and Payton. The Sonics. That's right. I swear, those were my favorite players. I wasn't a big fan of Patrick Ewing, but John Starks, Gary Payton, and Sean Kemp. Yo. Sean Kemp was different. My favorite player for a long time. See, how come all these discussions always take like a weird turn? It's always like, yeah, he was good. And like, didn't he have like 16 kids? Yeah. Oh, we discussed Muggsy Bogues the other day. Yes, we are deriving. This is good. Like, look at the liquidity he came to grab. Yeah. Don't want to reject anywhere in here. I know, cry later. You're shot. Good sell here, I guess. The hourly, I don't know. Range 1 for me. I didn't have a clear support here created. Right, this is more of a doji candle. This didn't create enough bullish momentum to establish a support. So it's all still a range. Range 2. Spreewell was my guy too. Spreewell and Houston on the Knicks was fire. Also the chat's like, what are they talking about? Like, fucking, it was in black and white back then, wasn't it? Guys used to watch black and white basketball. Damn. Yeah, a lot of volume here. 840. Damn. All right. Well, maybe we can get more sells below. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we closed below our 4-hour zone here. Next 4 hours coming down, right? So we just need this to pull back. If it keeps driving, we're gonna look below the next range. But the 4-hour close here, we want this to happen right here. If this happens, we kind of create a bottom wick to this area, come up, and we can take the rest down the same way we did here. Yeah, I'm looking for sells below the range, but let's see below which range we close in 15 minutes. Did grab liquidity at a nice level for the 4-hour here, right? You see all these wicks here? Good level here. Just need a closure on the 4-hour. Let's see how low it closes. Or how high. How high? I love you guys. You're all funny. You're all great. Chill out, gang. Gotta wait. Well, you ain't gotta wait, but I gotta wait. Honestly, this hourly, if we were able to look, if we were able to. If we close like this over here, then I would have considered this a range 2 breakout. I would have considered that a support. Now we're closing below this area. We could have looked for this. But we needed that to close below clearly established support. And we try. Gotta sell stuff onto this hourly low, sure, but this hour ends in 12 minutes, and sure, last week, I'd say, that's what it's been doing. It's been driving at the 4-hour close. We're still on March 1st, yeah, because where I live, it's still March 1st. It's the evening, right? It's the evening of March 1st. I done workout of 2nd March just. What? That's some shit Forrest Gump would tell Jenny. You'd be like, what? What? So 5 just closed bull. Ideally, this could pull back up, create a 5-minute range, and we can trade that, but we need a 4-hour close regardless. Don't tell me that. Flyers 2-1. I got the Celtics game on here. It's halftime. That's what happens when you don't like gameplay. I see Don Flex on his accomplishments. He's my #1 student. Oh no, I think the Rangers got this. Here's the thing. The Rangers are not really a second period team. So they need to survive the second period here. And then they're going to come out just on all cylinders in period 3. That's what happens. Perfect. So the 4 hours leaving a bottom wick for us to fill. If we can just close, same we did here in the past, right here. Do that here. And we're going to expect the top wick to roughly these areas, right here. Hopefully that's that 5-minute range that we're talking about, coming back in range here, tapping that area, and then breaking back down, and then we can have these flips. Right, have the next candle go up. Down. Yeah, that's a thing for sure. Last 5 minute usually drives? No, that's just the market, how the market's been working the last few weeks. But typically, you see the last 15-minute candle or the 4-hour leave a bottom wick or leave a top wick, leave a wick for the closure of the candle, right? So you'll see it pull back, not drive, historically. Typically, that's what happens. But you have to realize when these times are happening. Oh, man. The hourly level's a little lower. Two minutes here, chat. Let's see how we close. So this is nice. The 4 hours leaving. We just. All right. The 4 hour must close below this level right here. Sells below area. But for us to take a trade, we're going to have to come back down to actually this area. So it's a little different. The 4 hour closure is different from the area we're going to sell. But the 4 hour must close below that area in order for us. Here, let me break this down here. Here, this is our 4 hour. So we got to close below this yellow line here on the 4 hour. But on the 5 minute, we need to come back below the sells below area 1833.145. If we can tap this area and come back below here, I'm going to take sells here. I want to tap this area. Maybe even higher. Seconds here, chat. Remember, we're gonna need a top wick here. So after closure below next thing for a new range, and then wait for the break of the next range. On the 5 minute, more or less, we'll break back into the range. So the 4 hour closed below the level that we drew, right? We got number one. We also closed below the hourly level. There's room to fill here on this wick. If this 5 minute doesn't drive and we close bearish, oof, I really want this top wick. No, I'm gonna wait for this top wick to be created. Here's the thing, this 5 might just close bearish back in range here. But if we wait for a top wick, we might have some onions. Let's see what the stops are here. It's 32 pip stops here. If this candle closes like this, roughly 50 pip TP. Ideally, we don't flip here. We come up and make a steeper wick. Well, ideally, we don't close here right now in this 5. Top wick is going to form. Yeah, I believe so too. I believe the new 4 hour and the new 1 hour, they all need a top wick. They need to grab liquidity in order to fill this wick down. It's already closing back above range. I want this top wick somewhere to here, 1834. Alright, we got 2 minutes. Give me a sec, chat. Go to the little boys' room for a second. $18.27. Yeah, I'm looking at 1827.5. Nice, nice. This is good. So it's giving you good price action here. Hey, I charged your phone. I love you. I'll come to you after I'm done. What up, Big Time Wicks? Big Time Vince. What's the deal? Yeah, with the daily bullish trend. Yeah, the daily's bullish, but if today closes bear, we're retesting the lows. Can we anticipate that? Quite possibly. If we get our range 2 breakout. And on the 1 hour, I believe anything below here be a good range 2 breakout. Let's see if we can come back. Look, this 5 closed with no top wick. Let's see if this one can form a top wick and come down, break this previous 5. Chat, if we break this previous 5 candle, if we close below it, I will take sells off the rip. You guys know those stretches. You guys know those pre-position stretches. Do it with me, chat. Lock it in, lock it in. Let's see if we can get this wick to come, this candle, this candle, come back down, close something like this. If it closes something like that, we'll be in there like swimwear. No, no, no. We didn't sell below yellow line. The yellow line was where we needed the 4 hour to close below. See? The 4 hour needed to close below the yellow line. Now we were waiting for a top wick. Because in the past, look, when we closed below here, top wick came up to 1834.390. Over here, it's 1834.5 already. Once we start coming back down, we'll look to fill this wick down, this previous 4 hour wick, right? Which is roughly 15 pips, and then we'll look to fill the higher time frame range. A rejection in all these areas, right? Let's see if we can read the market correctly. It's been a pretty wild 2023. It's been incredible. I mean, Q4 of last year was just eye-opening, and we just ran with it. Yeah, I need to close lower here. This was our 4 hour level. So let me remove it. This needs to come down lower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I gotta come down here. 18. 4-hour flip. Hour. Chad, I'm gonna set a sell stop here on the break of this candle. Right? Got a sell stop right here, 1832.7. If I can set it in time before we break it. It's basically the rebreak of the current hourly low, the hourly flip, and the 4-hour. So we have the higher time frames in our direction here. My stops will be this area right here. Right here. Right. So 31 pip stop. On my broker, it's 1832.65. Sorry, 1832.63. I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Price of sell stop. You see it? It's below. It's basically the 1 hour and the 4-hour flip and break of the low. So the sell stop right here, 1832.75. On my broker, it's on 6.5. What's your trade leverage? That's irrelevant. Doesn't. It does nothing here. So that's my position. You get the insight on what I'm thinking, right? Hopefully you can take something out of it and make it your own. It is, isn't it? This is the Asian session official jam. You're right. Facts. Rise the volume to be around 927-ish. Good evening, absolute. What? What's the difference here? 6 pips. Stops will be 31 pips from entry. This is a higher time frame trade with a 5-minute level stop. Previous 5-minute level stop. It's based off everything, right? You'll have, once you break here, you'll have the 5 falling in line with the hourly and the 4 and the 30. Yeah, right here. Stops will be around 1835.8. I am short gold, down 50%. Why are you short gold? Hey, Tomodachi Onichiwa Seyo. Good day, Wixen gang. Good day to you, sir. W. Thank you for coming through. Ay, 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 ay. 50%. Well, I'm short since yesterday, 68 pips in the hole, but low risk. I'll hold.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't know, guys. Well, driving up right now. For now. For now. Let's see. We don't flip here. We don't get a trade. No flip, no pip. Y'all got it? What's your recommended TP for any trades during Asian session? Well, if it sells, I'm looking right here. 1827 levels. I am not really down 50%. Sure you're not. We believe you. When would you look at deleting the sell stops? After we break this area. This 5-minute range, 5-minute zone, 1835.95. No flip, no pip. That's right. Well, we stream Asian because this is the wind down session, lots of value here, and now there's 600 people with us or 530 people with us. You know, so there's a community for this, and there's trades to be caught, and there's massive value to be learned and picked up in the Asian session. There's a lot of knowledge here, right? And if you want to really understand the markets and the market cycles, why not? But then again, is this the most volatile session? Is this the money session for the rest of the year? No, this is the how do I say this? Yeah, let's just keep it at that. This session has less volume. It's obviously known, right? That this is the more stable. There's the word I was looking for. The stable session, right? This is where there's more or less some stability in the markets without these incredible parabolic moves that New York and London have the potential to provide. But still, there's moves to be caught here. So if you can read candles, you can take advantage of them, right? 10 pips yesterday, 20 pips today. It adds up. Market's always moving. You just, gotta wait for your opportunities. And Q4 for Asian, we had a lot of opportunities, right? Trade a day. Not so here in quarter one, but it'll pick up. It'll pick up quarter two, quarter three. Volume will pick up even in Asian. We'll have more trades. Please look at GJ.
How about new?
This is to save your money, stack your knowledge, and experience session, yes. That big down might be the amount I pay to customers today or the millions I own. What are you talking about? Wick's not fun 100%. But if traders domain don't get me my money, you're gonna be seeing me at the FTMO building in line. Can I get an account? Oh shit. Where's your take profit? First we need to activate. My TP will be 1827. Didier. That's a dope name. I remember Didier Drogba. Remember that guy? Didier Drogba. Soccer player. The football player? No, the soccer player. Mixie must be low-key stacked. Potentially never getting your 500k. I'm crying on the inside. Soccer. It's football, not soccer? No, it's soccer. Have you ever seen a football mom? No. Have you ever seen soccer moms? Yes, it's soccer. You ever seen soccer moms at a game taking their kids to soccer? Yeah, you never see football moms. It's definitely soccer. It's foosball. It's the devil. Everything's the devil, mama. What do you believe in? Joe Pesci. I believe if you give him a Louisville Slugger, he'll come over here and whip your ass. Wix, you ever trade London? Yeah, when Don hits me up, he's like, yo, you looking at this? I'm like, bruh. Alright, Charles, I'm calling it. Call it. It's 9:30. You can't call it yet. We're about to break the previous 30 high. How did you guys meet for the first time, Don Vo and you? Well, you wouldn't believe this. He subscribed to my OnlyFans. His trading chance will come back after mine. I just give you a like to your channel. I will continue watching. Awesome. Sub to the channel. Turn on notifications. Hey Siri, remind me that Wix 9 is on at 8 p.m. Eastern every evening. I got you. Bro, OnlyFans. That's a good one. Seriously, I don't love pronouncing. I'm in a trade chat. For traders. Hey, newbie from Malaysia. Thank you for joining us. I'm never advertising my OnlyFans. I'm just giving you guys the honest truth. This is how Don and I met. He fucking dove in my DMs. Jumped. He's like, yo, get me a subscription. I drive a BMW. Do you trade full time or work on the side? I mean, to live in Miami, you gotta have a job and do a little fraud on the side. But it's a good thing I don't live in Miami. I live right outside it. So, yeah, this is what I do for my main source of income, and then I own some businesses. Sis. Thank you, my rook. I don't have the link to it. Someone's got to pull it up. I know someone will pull it up. The culture shift with Marcos. Works all the serious brothels just to pimp. Weston. Yeah, people from Weston here. That's funny. I broke the 1 hour high. Yeah. Did you delete? No, I didn't delete yet. Wagwan Wix. Earthing, Irie. Midday, yeah, no? Keelan, I would start anything on the internet because your reach is infinitely more than a brick and mortar store. So whatever I would do, it would be, or whatever it should be based on the internet. So you can reach out to a really wide audience and not just be limited to the 8 square block radius. You're a Rasta. Nah, me not a Rasta. Me a ragamuffin. What you say? Yeah, Rasta. Tomato business. I love tomatoes. You guys like the other vegetables. You guys like the cucumbers, right? Cucumba. You guys like the cucumba. Yeah, I got Wi-Fi. I'm still using dial-up. You got Wi-Fi in here? You got mail. You also have a virus. You also had your identity stolen. Enjoy the rest of your non-existence. Welcome to AOL. Chat, my cell stop is still here, still active. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember, but we're trading here. So, all right. Wake up, y'all. We still trading. That's how I got your channel from. Ask Don, where's the roster today? Beautiful. Nice. Word of mouth. That's our best advertising, right? Because it's free. Water bottles attained. Word. We just picked up some major water bottles. The previous 30 had no top wick, right? So it's a good indication, right? Maybe we don't have enough range to go up there. The previous hourly never broke. All right. Looking good for now. Need some volume. All right, let's grab some liquidity. Let's see if we can get this shit to drive. Yeah, liquidity grab. It's a good point, Sales. Using current candles? No, I'm gonna have previous hourly. Yeah. I'll be on patience for sure. I mean, this past hour, you guys already know. It's been the past hour right now. Oh, wait, it's not working. God damn it. Sorry, that soundbite didn't work. L. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, look good on a coffee cup. Liquidity grab. Yeah. Look good also on a Wix cup. So go 1835.6. Ooh. How pretty. I can't, because, like, at any time, this can be the bottom wick, right? For this 30, and for this 15, I don't know. We need to break, we need to flip here, because the 4 hour and the hourly are still bullish. And this trade is mostly based on the 4 hour, because the range that we closed below is the 4 hour, the highest time frame. So I'm going to let the higher time frames take us in the direction of structure. Nah, I don't think I want to go XLR. No, he didn't send me one. He's never even discussed it with him. I was just saying it as a joke. I mean, you could take sniper entries here in the middle of this wick, but you still never flipped on the 4 hour, right? Like, we have no confirmation. We're anticipating it, but we have no confirmation so far. So, I don't know what to tell y'all. Tell you. Killing is patois. Patois? Isn't it like patois? Patois. 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 Nice with the patois. He's pat one. Ooh, ooh, coming down, coming down. Damn, so the hourly never broke the previous hourly high. Four hour, never did. We came up, grabbed liquidity. This is our stops right here. At this moment, it's current candle, previous hourly, it's the same level, right? They basically drove and rejected at the same level and drove from the same level. Here. Gold breaks 1830. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to secure some bacon by that time. Will we activate? Will we activate and then range All possible. And I mean, this is perfect because look, the rebreak, if we ever do come up and rebreak the current candle, which will break the previous hourly high, you would end up filling the range up. So you would fill the rest of the 4-hour candle, the previous 4, at that point, right? So you would be breaking up. So we have the most logical possible stops here once we activate, if we activate. Got into a sell position, 1834.86. Basis looks like it's going to fall for a while. 1834.86. Yeah, I mean, you guys have some really good entries. You guys should start thinking about securing some profits, maybe taking some risk off the table. $18.35. Yeah, I'm seeing people with some good entries here. Close of the candle, right? Yeah, I mean, you could have done that. Just some play over here. Solid, solid. Very nice, guys. Very solid. What's the Rangers game score? We still losing? Oh yeah, we still losing. 5 minutes to go. Pushing it. Push. Pushing it. Push. And our stop, this is great. This is the 1 hour level, the 4 hour level, all the way down to the 30 and the 5. All the same level. Super weak bullish 1 hour. Yeah, it can happen. But the 4 hour, right? This is based off the 4 hour. So I'm going to keep this open until we break the 1 hour high. If we don't activate or if we activate, regardless. The sell stop's staying there until I break this higher here. Whether we activate or we don't activate, I'm not touching my sell stop. Because even if we close weak bullish below 1833.947, I'm fine with the next candle having a top wick and then driving down. Yeah, on the 30 minute it would be a sell replay, yeah. It's at that point everything is in our favor. Every time frame lines up. 5:30, 1, 4. Everything lines up. And it's also a range 2 breakout, so we can take shorts against the daily bias. I like that Stones poster. It's not a poster, it's a painting. It's a hand job. Pause. I mean, there's nothing wrong with hand job. Oh man. It's done by hand. That's what I meant. Just jokes here, chat. This is good for entertainment. 1841.5. Are you asking me for what opinion of what you should do? TP 1823? I don't know. You're doing something completely else. You're swinging. Massive ranges. Yeah, fine. Just take bits and pieces along the way, right? Make sure. Clipped it. Look at this. Why don't you guys clip something valuable, right? There's no value in a hand job joke. Playing boss strategy, new to go price action. Yes, it can, Benjamin. So if the next 1 hour comes up and breaks the 1 hour high, the previous 1 hour high will be out. Well, I mean, we'll delete our sell stops. And then I'll look for positions for the morning. Just like, people like, what are we gonna do? We're just delete our positions. But yeah, if it doesn't break that high, absolutely, we can keep driving down. We can drive down after breaking a high here. I'm just, at that point, it just won't make sense to me at this time. I'll have to wait for more information, more candles to form. Sorry, chat. 2 trades in the last 7 days. No, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, today's day 7. So 2 trades in 7 days. 2 trades in 6 days. It's just been slower. It's Asian session. My first day back since the 20-day break. Well, you missed 20 days of range. What's the alternative? Force trades? Yeah, you can. Long term, it's not healthy for you, for your pocket, mindset. All right, 5 minutes here till the hourly close. I remember looking at the charts when I just started trading, and look at this. I remember looking at this and be like, so this looks like it's going down, but this looks like it's going up once it flips. But this looks like it's going down. So which one do I choose? And then you always choose the wrong one. Oh, I remember those days. Flip a coin. Yeah, I get PTSD thinking about those times. Yeah, money's wherever you can grab it. You see $10 on the street, you grab it. That's money. Higher time frame holds way more value. Good point. Absolutely. You learn that with experience. Where at one point I was going to do the opposite of what I thought was correct. That's everybody's thought process. Everyone goes through that. That's universal. It's a universal trading stage. Oh shit, well, it keeps always doing the opposite of what I'm doing. Maybe I'll just take opposite trades. Everyone does that. Don't do what everyone does. All right, looks like we are going to close bullish on this hourly. Let's go to the hourly. The hourly held support here, right? Because that's the hourly level. It's right at it. Right? It's the hourly support. We want it. Want it below there. Let's see how the next hourly starts here. I'll stay on for a few minutes. Why trade Asian? Why not London? Because I sleep during London. I stream Asian. I trade in New York mainly. I trade Asian if we get a trade here, but the main session is New York. And I don't trade London just so I could be awake for New York. How do you know that the daily is going to flip? In what sense? The daily, all right, the daily's bullish. How do we know that we're going to flip bearish? Well, first of all, the daily has to close below this area, which would be a little fake out, and we're going to come back down and retest the lows over here, right, at 1805 for the rest of the week, Thursday, Friday, if this closes bear today. But realistically, weekly's holding resistance. But you need range 2 breakouts, right? So if you're bullish on the daily, you can take sells with range 2 breakouts. And if you're bearish on a daily, you can take buys with range 2 breakouts. Oh, no way. Hold on. Tell me the range is tied it. Yo, we fucking tied it, bro. Yeah, boy, we're in overtime. We get a point. What? We were just down with 5 minutes to go. I missed the goal. Why didn't nobody tell me? You Philly fans, right? You guys never want to see anyone else celebrate. I know there's Philly fans in here, and you guys saw the Rangers score, and you're like, no, I'm not going to tell him. I hope he misses the rest of the game. I'm just going to tell him the Philly scored in overtime. They lost. I see you. It's all good. All right, so the hourly closed here. Closed bullish. Let's see if we have any volume here. Bo, a Leafs fan, right? Yeah. Celebrating like you do some sport betting on the side. Absolutely not. Off to work. See you tonight. Oh, yeah. You're in Asia. Gotcha. I'll see you in the morning. We come up here and we break the previous hourly highs. I'm just gonna call it a stream really quickly. Really quickly. It's a stream. Bye-bye. Yo, I haven't said it all stream. Chat, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for showing up. All 500 of you. All 500 over trading characters in here. I appreciate every single one of you over traders. Thank you for showing up, and thank you for trying to learn and make this a vibey session, right? Thank you for showing up. Shows GJ.
How about new?
Yeah, mods for sure. Thank you, mods. Appreciate all of you. Green for mod of the year. Dun, dun. I wonder what gas station Don Vo is filling up right now. Right? Where's he filling up at? He's definitely riding around Toronto right now looking for a gas station. This count as a wick special forming on the hourly? No, because on the hourly you held support, right? Your support was right here. Right here. It held it. It didn't break below it. So we held support on the hourly. My trade is mostly based off the 4 hour because the 4 hour never broke support before as it did at 9 p.m. here on the last hourly. So once we start coming back down, I'm going to have the 4 hour in my favor. But until then, there's no trades, right? Will this count as a stream trade if I close the stream and we start flipping, but I'm going to leave my sell stops open? No. I want it to happen on stream so we could count this. This is how we manipulate the record, chat. We stay longer to get the trade. Com Knights. Hello, I'm new here. That's got to be Com FX's burner. Are we short or long? No, we were waiting on short positions, and we were waiting on a 4 hour flip here, but it never came. AWAC 7, 8, 10 waiting for you to put them to bed? Yeah, they are. I don't know if they're already in bed. I really just wanted to see a first few candles here. And see how this hourly's playing out here. Hit the gym twice today. Sheesh. Just got here for the first time. You seem like a chill dude. How often are you streaming? We stream every single day. So this is Asian session. So you got to remember there's no Asian on Friday because that's their Saturday morning. So just make sure you don't show up on Friday if you're on the East Coast or anywhere in this hemisphere or this side of the world. What you bench, bro? Barbells and dumbbells. No, my range to breakout buys would need to be determined on the higher time frame. 1, 2, we'd probably look for buys above like 1837 at this point, now that we broke below. Yeah, somewhere about these areas, 1830 on the higher time frame, right? Let's see, chat. Maybe we'll activate here and then we'll arrange for the rest of the night. But if we activate here, I'm telling you what the stop is. I'm gonna hang out 5 minutes and then we'll call it. Oh, 15 celery. 30 closed bear, filling the wick down, right? Closed bear at resistance. One hour never broke. So, chat, bunch of new people here. If you're new, drop a like, sub to the channel. We're on every weekday, Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Turn on notifications so you know when we're on. This way, when I go live, you guys will get a notification and you'll hop on with me. You still have that sell stop? Yeah, my sell stop is still in the same place. What price is your sell stop, bro? Can't see it. 1832.75. It's 1832.65 on my broker. On the broker, it's 1832.65. It's about a pip off here. Which is all right, right? Spent the first hour creating this top wick on the 4 hour. Will we activate here, chat? So I'm not looking for the 30 break of the lows. I'm looking for previous hourly or the current 4 hour break of the lows. Stop loss is activated. It's the current 4 hour high. That's the stop. Pretty close here, chat. As far as managing risk, I'm gonna look to take some risk off the table as we start filling the wick and go break even as we start filling the 4-hour wick. Close, not in yet. Chat. Nope, not yet. Soon, soon. Close. 3263, I'm sorry, is on the broker. 3263. Said it before, I don't know why I said 65. Not yet. We gotta break the lows. We gotta re-break this 4-hour low. Wow. You're really gonna play games right now. If we don't activate here in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna call it a fucking stream. How are you in? Been a few people, right? I'm not in. A lot of you here have TD, right? You guys aren't in. No chance. Spread? No, there's no spread on sells. I'm not buying that. There's no spread on sells on entry. Only when you close. Yo, how did it end? I missed the ending. Oh, the Rangers won. What? Oh, nobody told me. Yo, you Philly fans, you guys. You guys. You guys didn't want to say nothing. I'm in, instantly rejects. Who's in? We're not in. And that's exactly why we have our sell stop, exactly where we had our sell stop. It had to, look, we had to break this previous candle low. This previous hourly low. We had to break the current 4-hourly low. Where we rejected before, we had to re-break it. Otherwise, no re-break, no trade take. Word, it came down to our entry and said,
How about no?
yeah, really close. This the candle, I promise? No, this the candle drive up. 10:15. All right, chat. 10:20. I promise you, I'm calling it 10:20. That's it. Just 10:20 is it. That's the end of the stream. I promise you, 10:20 is the end. $10.25 for sure. Nah, I don't give a damn how this 5 closes. If we don't fucking drive down right now. Cold, you silly goose, let's go. Pushing my limits here. Yeah, they're. Honestly, give me 1 sec, chat. Let me check if they're asleep or not. just walked over there and chat. They're all in bed. Everyone's in their own bed going. Just sprawling around, waiting. Oh. Wait, who just asked about Wix being at my arm? She's here. Hey. Hey. Wix 12. Wix 12. Latest snack 6. Yeah, baby Wix is here. She flipped over her stroller. Not hers, but like a toy stroller. And she's spinning the hell out of the wheel right now. Yeah, I'm telling them what you're doing. Is that fun? It's fun. All right, chat. I think we're gonna call it. It's 4 a.m. here. Who the fuck needs to sleep? No, you need to sleep, Miniwix. All right, say hi, say bye, and then we're out.
Hi, bye.
She said hi, bye. Okay, love you, bye. All right. Yeah. All right. Sell stop triggered on 1 pip. That's terrible. You're in the wrong direction right now. Once you re-break the highs, you should be thinking about managing it. All right. Say goodnight. She's been hanging on my elbow. What do I do with my open position? So you guys got activated. I don't know. We're not activated, but I would say it's still. All right. Hold on. Let me see what's going on. It's still valid here until you break this hourly high. You break this current hourly high, you're going to come up and retest the top of this wick. So honestly, if you got activated here, this is how many pips? If I'd probably close half at 23 here at the break of the high, and probably close the rest if we break this high. If we don't break this high, but break this high, you close half, and then you add the other half that you closed on the re-break of the low. That's what I would do if I was activated. But you guys have to listen and pay attention. Where is a good spot to activate and not to just hop in as because you're thinking it's going to break there, right? You all right? All right, let's say good night. For everyone else, hey, please don't overtrade. All 420 of you. And if you are going to overtrade, wear a helmet. Other than that, thank you so much for showing up. Mods, moderators. Oh, now here comes the rest of the gang. Say bye and we're leaving. No, say bye to them. You don't want to wave? Go wave. That's the next one. All right, chat. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run this stream. Love and wisdom to you all. Chat, appreciate all of you. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, 8 p.m. Eastern. All right? And hopefully we can get a position. Yesterday we had a nice W. We didn't have a trade today, but let's finish off the week strong, get a nice W in the morning tomorrow, and nice W in the evening. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Peace and love and wisdom to you all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. That's right. Have a good night, y'all.